Yo guys, what's up? Today, me, MysteryXD Gamer here. Anyways, I'm here with Nick, 1Blizzard. Okay, 1Blizzard. Okay, anyways, today we're gonna be playing the longest hobby ever. Not really, but it has 900 stages long. Anyways, shout out to Nick right here. Go follow him. Say hi. Yeah. Anyways, if you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe. Can we get 1 like on this video? And make sure you click the bell if you haven't already. I mean, ask him if he's ready to start. Ready to start. Ready to start the hobby, bro? Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, this is very easy so far. Boom. Okay, this is okay. Hopefully you guys are having a good day so far. Cause I was. Okay, he's still here. If you guys hear anyone behind me, just random thing. I fell. Oh. Easy. I feel like I'm lagging a little bit, but it doesn't matter. Have you guys ever played an obby before? Comment down below. Again? Oh, bro. I think you need to learn how to do obbies. Wait, by the way, link in the description to go to my Discord server. I just made it. The brand new, all new Discord server is currently under development, and it'd be in the link in the description. Anyways, also in the description will be my YouTuber friends, including Nick himself. He'll also be on there. Go check out his channel, and many others like Kevin, Killer, and I don't know if Blackblue wants to, but still, any other friends. Okay. Too big. Nope. Easy. Nope. Easy. Come on. Rip. Guys, can we get a rest in peace for Nick right here? He keeps missing this. David, his name was his chat. Okay. 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 Ooh, somebody in. Nick. Nice. You finally made it. No. If you guys didn't know, I'm in Mexico right now. Anyways, let's continue on Avi. If you guys want to be featured in another video, all you gotta do is follow me, send me a friend request, and comment down below your username so I can accept you. It's gonna be a random thing, and I might accept you, and I will tell you when a video is coming up so you can be inside. If you guys want a shout out, put it in the description. Hashtag Mystery Squad to be a shout out. Sorry I've not been recording so long. It just like many stuff was happening. I just decided to record Nick just decided to record today. Well, he's not recording. He told me to record with him, even though he's not. Okay, boom. Comment down below how good are you guys at hobbies. Are you guys very excellent at them, or do you guys fail? For me, I'm kind of a pro, not like Kevin, aka Panda Gaming. He's very better at hobbies than me, cause he does it like very fast. Like he doesn't. Sometimes he waits for me. Sometimes he doesn't. Okay, Blizzard, let's go. Go. Oh, no. Okay, speed mode. Ready, guys? Boom. So close. Okay, speed mode. Boom. Did that count? 1, 2, 3, 4. Huh? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oof. I don't consider myself as a very good at Avi. I do consider myself as a pro. But I wanna know how you guys think about it. Oh flip! No. Nick, how do you fail? Wait, I'm wondering how do I fail? Oh yeah. Thank you for all the support you guys have been doing in a couple of days. I legit already hit 318 subscribers. That's a big accomplishment. I think I'm lagging. Come on, Nick. Go, Nick. Go. Go, Nick. Go. Okay, anyways, okay. I legit do not know what to say. Oh yeah. By the way, I changed my avatar, so rate it 1 out of 10 in the comments. How is it? Because lately I got Robux and I decided to wear like the same old black stuff. A new Christmas hack, a mask, different hair, a Santa hat, this guy on my shoulder, swords, and a mask. Like the dove face also. Oof. Okay, look. Guys, okay, I'm gonna one shot this. Make sure. Yes, guys, make sure to subscribe down below. Subscribe now. Wait. I think you guys helped. Okay, I'm very confused how I even did that, but still. Subscribe, yeah, subscribe if you're new. You do not have to. There's a reason why it is an option. It is very Nick said it's a very wise choice to subscribe, so you better listen what he says. Oh yeah, the new subscriber goal I'm trying to head to is 300, and I legit made Nick messed up. Okay, the new subscriber goal is 230. If you can hit that, you guys can comment down below what should I do. Oh yeah, big shout out to wait, what was his name again? Forgot. Okay, anyway, at the end of this video I'm gonna show you who I'm talking about. But big shout out, okay, I don't know who's, okay, anyways, I messed up, oof. Hey, I did it. Never mind. Yeet. Har, YT, you saw him falling. I'm just gonna put this emoji. Bum. Come on, pop up. Wait, I'm just gonna stare right through his soul. Like, where is he? Okay, look. Okay, ready? I'm gonna do this for real now. For real now. No messing around. Boom! What have I told you? I take it back. Yup. What? Guys, guys, am I lagging or is he hacking? Actually, that rhymes, but still. Probably just lag. Anyways, I'm gonna put this game in the link in the description if you guys also want to play this. Like, comment down any video suggestions what I should do for the next video. Hey bro, you can just went this rip. Yes, I have been mean. No, okay, mean noob. Okay, nub. I'm gonna pretend that I did not step on that. Boom, boom, boom. Easy. That's why I need Robux. Boom. I'm just gonna wait. How many? I legit guessed it. Not a joke. I legit guessed it. I legit did not know. I legit guessed it. There's no coming backs. Wait, where is Nick? Did he pass me? Nick. One like equals one. Yes, guys. Okay. One like equals one Robux for new. In my account, I have 15 Robux, so I might give him some. Depends on me likes to get. I'm joking. Let's do. Okay. If you guys want to like, can we get one like in this video? And I got disconnected. Let's see what happened. Now this is the perfect time. Okay, guys, sorry about that, but turn out I lagged. I legit have 15 Robux in my account, so I can give him some Robux. But still, just waiting. Like challenge is 1 like today. There's a dislike button there for a reason, so you guys can hit that too if you want to. It's not, I can't force you guys to like, but you guys can. Gotta reset everything. I'm gonna skip. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. It took a long time. Yeah. Hey guys, he just texted. Fun, wasn't it? Hey guys, looks like it's gonna be the same. He said, for all my noobs out there, if you want beep beep. Well, don't stop it. Okay, anyways, you need to hit the subscribe button and like, and you will get all the Robux you want. Sharon, yeah. Oh. Do what he says, guys. I'm just gonna have to reset. They legit had to reset. It's gonna reset. Okay, guys. Whatever. Okay. I know what he said. He says, make sure to subscribe, make sure you like, and check the description for the Discord server. And if you guys want Robux, he just said like. Let's do. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. This is MysteryXD Gamer here. Peace out.